Hi everybody, welcome to my channel Frugalisama. My name's Sam and this is where I talk about all things sewing. So today is day 3 of the prizes for the Sew Frugal 22 challenge that myself and Rowan at Yorkshire Sew Girl is running over on Instagram. And if you're not familiar with the rules for that, then it's sew a garment during the month of March using a free pattern and using fabric from your stash, and the reveal date is on the 31st of March. So we've got lots of vloggers taking part. So today you should be seeing Karen from Sew Little Time and Elizabeth, who is a Stitchy wife. So there might be some vloggers there that you've discovered before, and there might be some new ones, hopefully, and some new fresh ideas. So the prize that I want to talk about today is from the Fold line. So I'm sure that you've all heard of the Fold line. They are a massive pattern resource company that is based here in the UK, and you can use them for downloading patterns. They sell patterns, they sell paper patterns, and they also print patterns for you as well. So a really great resource for having all your patterns in one place. They've given us a £15 voucher towards spending on their website for the challenge. So really well worth it. You can probably download a pattern and have it printed, or maybe treat yourself to a paper pattern for that. What you probably don't know about the Fold line is that they also have free patterns on their website as well. So if you just go into their search bar and type in free, you'll be able to see a few free patterns on there. And this is one that I've made in the past. This is the Greco tee from Ensemble Patterns, and really nice t-shirt, really versatile t-shirt. But the Fold line also have their own free pattern called the Sailor Top, and that is just a sort of tank style top with bias binding around the neckline and then a big keyhole feature with a tie at the back. So the size range for this Hello Sailor Top goes from a 34-inch bust up to a 51.5-inch bust, maximum hip of 55.5 inches. So nice one that you might not have discovered before, and a good way of discovering some free patterns. Just be careful when you put in free, because sometimes it picks up the fact it might be free range slacks or something like that, or something with free in the title of the pattern. So of the free patterns that they've got on there, they've got a couple from Schnitchen Patterns, Waves and Wild, and Sew House 7, and this Greco tee as well. So well worth a look if you're looking for a resource for free patterns, and a great little price from the Fold line. So yeah, it's searchable as a Fold line website, so you can narrow it down to either paper patterns or PDF patterns or the pattern company, or you can actually put in whether you want a skirt or a dress or something like that. So a really useful resource. Right, so that's it from me today. I hope you're enjoying these shorter videos where I'm just highlighting a prize and maybe one pattern that I found, and enjoying all the other vloggers' videos as well. So the link to the playlist is below for all the vloggers. So that's it from me today. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell. That will tell you when I've got new videos out. Bye.